Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, taking screenshots on your Samsung is very easy, and there are many ways to take a screenshot. The first method includes pressing the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. Simply, open the screen you would like to capture, then press the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. And that's it. Another way of taking a screenshot includes the palm swipe gesture. For that, open the Settings app, tap on Advanced Features, then tap on Motion and Gestures, and then enable the palm swipe to capture feature. Once done, get to the screen you would like to capture and swipe the edge of your hand across the screen. Finally, the last method includes using Bixby. Simply, access the screen you would like to capture, and then say, "Hi Bixby, take a screenshot." This way, you won't need to do anything, and the Bixby assistant will take a screenshot for you. And that's basically how you can take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.